Why did you go off late?
Western New Jersey, southern Morris County, northern Somerset
God
County,
damn.
northeastern Middlesex County.
The Max
Until
Digital
4:45
literally
p.m.
went off late. I don't
At
get it.
4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Far Hills,
Jesus
or 9
Lord.
miles
God
north
damn.
of Somerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard,
Let's go.
60 miles per hour
KZZ31.
winds and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, damage to trees.
Oh, rotation.
Is possible.
Power lines
Locations infected include Thunderstorm, Morris,
I can see the
Somerville,
rotation.
Somerset, Edison,
Dude, this is
Bridgewater,
crazy.
Concord, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover,
God damn.
Mendon, Hackettstown, Chatham, Morris Plains, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton, and
Dude, these storms are gonna hit me.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 11 and 12. Interstate 70 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 43.
I know.
Interstate 2 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 39. Interstate 287 mile markers 139.
God damn.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
and 100
Torrential rainfall is occurring with
Torrential
this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
room on the lowest
Do
floor
not
of
drive
the
your
building.
vehicle through flooded roadways.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
God damn.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, and Southern Nassau. A strong thunderstorm will
Oh my God. Hold up.